So what we're gonna do is we're going to look like the piece of cloth, you know. So like say I wanna sort of give some, you can see how we're gonna be using this one, but like say I wanted to give it a bit some more some kind of wrinkles or move it to side, like see, yeah, getting out back to there, it's like make it a bit lumpy. You can see how it's giving it that form. You can also try to, you know, move some of it here too. Obviously we've seen some of our tabletop, so we're gonna move that to cover that up, and we're gonna just do that here. Same here. Like say we wanna do some of this right here. Just gonna make sure that you're going always to the right.